Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on eToro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eToro website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner, which will then take you into the login portal. Now within the sign in page, click on Forgot My Password in order to reset your password. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click on the submit button, and you will now be told to check your inbox. So just check your inbox within the email address that you entered, and you will find an email from eToro. Open up this email and you will find a button which says set a new password. Click on this link, and now you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account right away. Type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. After typing in your desired password twice, click on the submit button, and now your password has successfully been changed. You can click on the login button to use your newly set up password in order to log back into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your eToro account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.